Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to do a clean with me Monday edition. These are kind of the things that I like to take care of on Mondays, if I have time, of course. So right now I just got back from the grocery store and I like to do Walmart pickup. Just a lot easier, saves time and money. So I'm just putting away the groceries right now and I'm going to get the kitchen all cleared off afterwards. And I do apologize if I sound a little nasally in this video. I was just outside cleaning and I sat on the porch for a little bit after this whole video filming, and my allergies are on another level. I take allergy medication, but sometimes it just doesn't help like completely. So anyway, I do apologize if I sound a little nasally on this video today. So after the groceries were all put away, I just had a few things to take care of in the sink that were from dinner last night. I just had my, oh gosh, what is it called? I always want to call it a crock pot. It's a Dutch oven. I just had a Dutch oven pan to take care of. And then Kato always I don't know if you just saw him like jump on the pantry door. He has this thing about like shadows and like lights. Does anybody else's dog do that? Like, he goes crazy over like reflections, like if it's from the phone. It's just insane. He is so funny. So before I clear off the counters, I needed some more DIY counter cleaner. I'll put the link in the description of what parts, like alcohol, water, plus dish soap that I use. It's just a nice like non-abrasive cleaner for my countertops. So I'll try to link that in the description above for you guys. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. This whole daylight savings time really throws me off. I know everybody's probably a little off today unless you're one of those states that keeps the time the same, which I really agree with. Like, why can't we get on board with them? It really throws you off, doesn't it? So I hope you guys are having a good day. If you need some extra caffeine, go for it. I'm right there with you. And for my birthday, I asked for a new laundry hamper. So I looked on Amazon and found this cool one that's on wheels. So that way I can roll in my laundry, the Chris's laundry, our towels. I just throw it all in there and then just have one like basket to roll in from our bedroom to the laundry room, which makes it a lot easier. So I'll try to link everything that I'm using or that you ask about in the description of the video as well. And after I get this load of laundry going, I'm going to go ahead and stock the beverage fridge with all of our sparkling waters and iced coffees. We love bubbly, as you can see. So I just wanted to fill the fridge with more sparkling water. And onto the fun part, which I hate doing. It's probably my least favorite thing, is, cleaning bathrooms, but toilets especially. Like, it grosses me out. It's not glamorous, but it has to be done. So that's what I'm doing here. And as you guys have already probably noticed, I switched the orientation. So I'm going to be shooting in landscape mode, just because it's easier to upload on my YouTube channel. And I got a lot of requests to do it in landscape. So all you have to do is turn your phone the other way. And that way it's a widescreen. So hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments if it bugs you or what your opinions on that matter are. But I feel like for the long term, if I'm going to be doing these cleaning videos and posting them to my YouTube channel, I would prefer them to have them in landscape. So yeah, let me know your comments. Now it's time to give the bathroom sinks a good scrub down. I also want to wipe down the mirrors in here. Bathrooms get so dusty and gross like very quickly, so I like to do this probably weekly, if not every like 3 days typically, especially because Sunny really likes to jump up on my counter up here, and it's always my counter. I don't know, it's not Chris's side of the bathroom. So it gets very dusty and hairy very quickly. So sometimes I'll find myself doing it 2 times a week. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here. And moving on to Chris's side of the bathroom, I just have a few things to put away from Target that we got over the weekend, and then I also need to wipe down his sink and clean his toilet as well. And lately, Chris has been using the Harry's shave gel, the razors, the lotion, all that jazz. I got it like a kit for him over the holidays, and he really loves it. I love the smell of it, so I actually got myself a men's razor as well, because I don't know about y'all, but I think men's razors are a lot better than women's, so I'm not opposed to using a men's razor if it does a better job. So I also picked up a new razor for myself, which is also very exciting. It was also very exciting to go to Target on Saturday night. It was quiet. I think it was like 8 or 8:30. So I was like nobody else in the store, which is like ideal for me because we took our time. There wasn't a lot of crowds. We didn't have to be up on people, and it was nice to just kind of like pretend that it was normal and just walk around, look at all the new things. So yeah, I'll see all the Easter stuff, the spring things. It's always nice to peruse around a store that you hadn't been in a while. And Target is not close to our house by any means, so we do have to make like a special trip to go walk the aisles of Target. But it brought me back to like our old date nights where we would go to dinner, go to Target, maybe catch a movie. So yeah, we had a lot of fun. Okay, now back to the laundry room because that's always what calls my name after I've been doing stuff for a while somewhere else. I hear that beep and I try to get the laundry out of the dryer as soon as it beeps because I hate when things are wrinkled. So I do have like a wrinkle release button, but I just prefer to jump on it as soon as it ends. That way nothing gets creased or is nice and, fresh when it comes out of the dryer. And while I'm in the laundry room, it was getting a little dusty in here. This is also where Sunny sleeps at night, so his litter box is literally right next to this secondary fridge, which he somehow gets litter everywhere. If y'all have cats, you know what I mean. Like, he'll jump out and there's just litter everywhere. Oh, and this morning, thankfully, he has we have a litter robot, so it's a machine that, cycles the litter around. And he had somehow gone to the bathroom on the edge of it. So when it rotated the poop outside of the litter box. And thankfully I caught it in time because our Roomba was getting ready to roll over the poop, which would have been a nightmare. So, crisis averted. No poop was run over. But just had to share that quick story with y'all. So pollen season is definitely starting. It's not like full-blown pollen season yet, but I know it's going to be any minute now. So we spent a lot of time on the porch this weekend, so I wanted to give it a good vacuum. And Kato likes to come out here a lot, so I just wanted to make sure that was all clean. And now it is time for an iced coffee. I like to treat myself after cleaning, just take a little break. And I realized I looked behind me and Mr. Sunny D was looking at me. Thanks for flying by.